In today's episode, we're gonna quickly take a look at how to delete work profile apps on Android. Stick with me till the end and let's get this video started. Now, in order to add or remove any kinds of accounts on your Android, head over to the settings of your device. Now you just scroll down and you will have an option of account somewhere on the settings page, but if you don't see this option right here, you can always search it on the search bar and you simply open up this option. Once you do, it's gonna give you all of your accounts that are linked with your phone. You'd be able to see all of your accounts such as Facebook, Telegram, Twitter and other stuff. Now let's say you want to remove any of these accounts which are professional and you want to make it your personal phone. So you just tap on any of the apps and then you'll have a section where you'll see a delete option right away, or you'll see an option of more right here and you should have an option of remove account. Tap on it and you can tap on remove. You can also do the same for your Google account. So if you have multiple Google accounts and one of them is a professional or a work account, you can easily tap on that option and simply choose the email address and then tap on more and tap on remove. Once you do that, you can see all of the things that will be removed with it, such as calendar, contacts and other stuff. So before you remove it, make sure you download and get the important data that you have linked with it. So those were the steps that you need to do in order to delete a work profile app on Android. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today and I'll see you in the next one.